Welcome to Exponents with Decimal Bases. I'm your host. Alright, so this is just the same as regular exponents, except that, sometimes you can't really see the meaning behind regular exponents. These exponents actually have a point. Anyway, this whole thing down here is known as the base. And this thing is the exponent, right? You know this from before. The only difference between exponents with decimal bases and exponents with other bases is that there are decimal points. So 0.3 to the second power is still, 0.3 times 0.3. The thing to remember is that when you take 1/10 of 1/10, you get 1/100th. So instead of 0.9, this is 0.09, because you're also dividing by another 10, right? Just like 3/10 times 3/10, the fractional equivalent, hashtag fractions are numbers too, is 9/100ths. Okay, hopefully that makes sense. Let's go on to the next one, slightly more complex. 2.5 to the third power. So now we have something larger than 1, so it's going to get larger as it goes. This is 2.5 times, that's not, put that higher, 2.5 times 2.5. So that's 2.5 squared. 2.5 to the second power is 6.25 times 2.5. And if you look at the multiplication, and I'm not going to write it all out here, but 6.5 times 2.5 is twice this plus half of this. So twice that is 12.5, and half of it is 3.125. So together those are 15.625. Again, we have 3 decimal places in the answer because we have 1, 2, 3 in the problem. And that is multiplying with decimal bases. I hope you get the point.